Configuring Bill4Time Invoicing is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your Bill4Time account and navigate to the Settings menu. From here, select the Invoicing option to access the Invoicing configuration page. First, you will need to set up your company information, including your company name, address, and contact details. This information will be displayed on your invoices, so make sure it is accurate and up to date. You can also add your company logo to the invoice template to give it a professional look. Next, you will need to configure your invoice settings, including the invoice format, payment terms, and due date. You can choose from a variety of invoice formats, including PDF and Excel, and select the payment terms that best suit your business needs. You can also set a default due date for your invoices, such as 30 days from the invoice date. In addition to configuring your invoice settings, you will also need to set up your payment methods. Bill4Time supports a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. To set up a payment method, simply select the payment method you want to use and enter the required information, such as your credit card details or PayPal account information. Once you have configured your invoicing settings, you can start creating invoices. To create an invoice, simply select the client you want to invoice and the services you want to bill for. You can also add a description of the services and the amount you are billing for. Bill4Time will automatically calculate the total amount due and generate an invoice that you can send to your client. Best practices for configuring Bill4Time invoicing include regularly reviewing and updating your invoicing settings to ensure they remain accurate and effective. You should also make sure to test your invoicing configuration to ensure it is working correctly, and make any necessary adjustments. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure Bill4Time invoicing to meet your business needs and streamline your billing process.